Hello students, how are you all? I hope all you are fit and fine. Students, today we are going to start our writing work in class 6, okay? Our past history. First chapter's writing work we have to start, students, and it's a video one of this chapter writing work. All right, students, so be ready with your copy and pen and start writing. All right, so let's start, students. As you know, at first we have to write chapter name. All right, so write chapter name. And what's the chapter, students? The chapter name is what, where, how and when. Okay, so write down chapter 1. Chapter 1, and the name of the chapter, what, W H A T, what, where, W H E R E, where, how, H O W, how, and A N D, and when, W H E N, when. Okay, what, where, how and when. All right, क्या, कहाँ, कैसे और कब. This is our first chapter. All right, so first, students, we will write word meaning of this chapter. So write down word meaning. Word meaning. Okay, शब्द अर्थ. So first write word and then meaning. MEANING, meaning. All right, and the first word is, students, scholar. Okay, so write down SCHOLAR, scholar. Okay, and scholars you can write. And students, you have to write word with black pen. All right, and meaning with blue pen, as you know. Okay, so write scholar, a person who study, STUDIES, who studies and has a lot of, and has a lot of knowledge, KNOWLEDGE. Okay, a person who studies and has a lot of knowledge about a particular subject. Okay, so it's a scholar. Scholar means vidwan ya pandit. Okay, vidwan. All right, it's a scholar, vidwan. Yeah, you can write pandit also, we can say. Okay, vidwan or pandit. And second one word is script, SCRIPT, script. Okay, script means lipi. Okay, a system of writing, a system of writing. All right, a system of writing. लेखन प्रणाली या लिपि, लेखन प्रणाली. Okay, or we can say लिपि, लेखन प्रणाली या लिपि. Okay, and third one, students, artisan. Okay, so write down artisan, ARTISAN, artisan. Okay, and artisan means a person who makes थिंग्स स्किलफुली. ओके, कारीगर या शिल्पी, ऐसा व्यक्ति जो अपने काम को बहुत ही कौशल से बनाता है. ओके, बहुत ही कुशल काम जो करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ आर्टिशियन. ओके, a person who makes things skillfully, karigar or silpi. Next word, word 4, sculpture. Okay, and sculpture is the art of making, the art of making, okay, the art of making figures or objects, figures, figures, or objects, objects, figures or objects from stone, wood or clay, from stone, wood, clay, etc. Stone, wood, clay, etc. Okay. The art of making figures or objects from stone, wood, clay, etc. means Murti Kala. Okay. Sculpture means Murti Kala. Okay. Murti Kala. Now, word number 5, tributary. Okay, word number 5, tributary. So, write down tributary. Tributary. Tributary means, students, a small river that flows into a larger river. So, write down a small river, a small river that flows, 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 a small river that flows into a larger river, ओके एक छोटी नदी जो बाद में मिलकर बड़ी नदी में मिल जाती है, यानी सहायक नदी. ओके, सो राइट डाउन सहायक नदी. ओके, सहायक नदी. ऑलराइट. Tributary, a small river that flows into a larger river, सहायक नदी. ओके, किसी बड़ी नदी की ये सहायक नदी जो होती है. ओके, बाद में ये नदी बड़ी नदियों से जाकर मिल जाती हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड नंबर 6. ओके, इट्स अ एस्केप, ESCAPE. ओके, escape means बच निकलना, to manage, to avoid something dangerous or unpleasant. Okay, so write down to manage, MANAGE, to manage, to avoid something, to avoid, AVOID, to avoid something, SOMETHING, avoid something dangerous, DANGEROUS, dangerous or unpleasant, UNPLEASANT, unpleasant. Okay, means किसी संकटपूर्ण स्थिति से बच निकलना. So you can write किसी संकटपूर्ण स्थिति से बच निकलना. ओके, सो राइट डाउन बच निकलना. ओके, किसी संकटपूर्ण स्थिति से बच निकलना. नंबर 7. Okay, what's the number 7? Herders. Okay, so write down HERDER, herders. Okay, and who is herders? A man who looks after a group of animal, that is called charvaha. Okay, a man who looks after a group of animal, after a Group, Group, a group of animal. Okay, a man who looks after a group of animal. All right, it means charvaha. So write down charvaha. ओके जो मवेशियों या जानवरों को रखता है, उनका ध्यान रखता है, उनको भोजन कराता है, उनकी देखभाल करता है. ओके, नंबर 8, फ्रंटियर, FRONTIER. All right, frontier. It means सीमा रेखा, the line where one country joins another border. Okay, so write down the line where one country joins the line where one country joins another border. Join another border. Okay, ANOTHER, another, BORDER, border. It means वह रेखा जहाँ एक देश की सीमा दूसरे देश की सीमा से जुड़ी रहती है, लगती है. That is called a सीमा रेखा. Okay, सीमा रेखा. All right, सीमा रेखा. Now number 9, what's the 9th word? Okay, so write down, it's a manuscript. Okay, so write down MANUSCRIPT, manuscript. Manuscript, students, as you know, you have read in this chapter a copy of a book, piece of music, etc. before it has been printed. Okay, yeah, you can say a very old book or documents that's written by hand. Okay, so write down what's a manuscript. Okay, documents which is written by hand, that is called a manuscript. Okay, so write down a very old book, a very old book. A very old book, एक बहुत पुरानी बुक या दस्तावेज, that was written by हैंड. ओके, एक ऐसी पुरानी दस्तावेज या पुरानी पुस्तक जो कि हाथों के द्वारा लिखी जाती थी, हाथों से लिखी जाती थी. ओके, दस्तावेज, हस्तलिखित प्राचीन ग्रंथ, हस्तलिखित प्राचीन ग्रंथ. ओके, हस्तलिखित प्राचीन ग्रंथ या पांडुलिपि. ऑलराइट, पांडुलिपि. So students, 10th word is inscriptions. So write down INSCRIPTION, inscriptions. Inscriptions means words that are written or cut on something. Okay, written or cut on something. Okay, and something which is very hard surface. All right, किसी कठोर सतह पर आइदर स्टोन, मेटल, उस पर लिखे गए कुछ शब्द जो उत्कीर्ण किए जाते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ इंस्क्रिप्शन. अभिलेख या उत्कीर्ण शब्द, अभिलेख और उत्कीर्ण शब्द, अभिलेख और उत्कीर्ण शब्द. ओके, दैट इज इंस्क्रिप्शन, किसी वस्तु पर अंकित शब्द. 11th word, students, write down Historians. Historian. Historian. Okay. And historian means, students, a person who studies or who is an expert in history. Okay. So write down person a person who studies a person who studies a person who studies or who is an expert. Okay, who is an expert in history. History. Okay, a person who studies or who is an expert in history. All right, it's a itihaskar. Itihaskar. ओके, हिस्टोरियंस, इतिहासकार, जिसको इतिहास का ज्ञान होता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट 12th. ओके, सो राइट डाउन आर्कियोलॉजी. ARCHAEOLOGY. Archaeology. And students, what is archaeology? पुरातत्व विज्ञान, the study of the past based on objects or part of building that are found in the ground. Okay, so write down the study of the study, STUDY, the study of the past, the study of the past based on BASED, based on objects, OBJECT, objects or parts of building, or parts of building, BUILDING, parts of building that are found in the ground. Okay, the study of the past based on objects or parts of building that are found in the ground. पुरातत्व विज्ञान. So write down पुरातत्व विज्ञान. Okay, पुरातत्व विज्ञान. Now next 13th. Okay, and 13th word is traveling. So write down TRAVELLING, traveling. Okay, to make a journey of a particular distance is traveling. All right, means कि किसी निश्चित दूरी की यात्रा करना. So write down to make, MAKE, to make a journey of a to make a journey of a particular to make a journey of a particular distance. Okay, particular distance. Okay, to make a journey of a particular distance, निश्चित दूरी की यात्रा करना. Okay, so write down निश्चित दूरी की यात्रा करना. निश्चित दूरी की यात्रा करना. That is a traveling. Okay, to make a journey of a particular distance. All right, now next one is artist. Okay, 14th word is artist. 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 Artist means kalakar. somebody who produces art, especially in drawing and painting. Okay, students, so write down somebody who produces somebody who produces art, okay, especially in drawing and painting. Okay, this is kalakar. So write down kalakar. Okay, and 15th word is priest. So write down 15th word is priest. 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 Okay, and priest means, yes, purohit ya pujari, a person who performs religious or ritual ceremonies. Okay, so write a person who performs religious, religious, religious. Okay, a person who performs religious ceremonies, samaro. Okay, ceremonies, ceremonies in some religion, religions. All right, a person who performs religious ceremonies in some religions. Okay, that is, yes, purohit ya pujari. Okay, so write down purohit ya pujari. All right, so students, this one words 1 to 15 you have to learn. Okay, you have to learn all these words and meanings. All right, when your school will reopen, then I will ask to you all. All right, now the time of question answer. All right, so we have to write question answer of this chapter 1. Okay, and the chapter is what, where, when and how. So first question, students, it's a matching. Okay, it's a matching. Match the following. Students, you have to match these words. Number 1, Narmada Valley. Okay, Narmada Ghati, and you will match to Narmada Valley to growing rice. Okay, but in old book there is not any option of growing rice. Okay, so you will here is hunting and gathering given. Okay, so you will match to hunting and gathering. And suppose in your book, in your old book, there is hunting and gathering. Suppose you have new book, and in your new book there is written growing rice. Okay, here growing rice, so you will write here growing rice, and you have to match growing rice. Okay, Narmada Valley hunting and gathering oblique growing rice. All right, second one is Magadha. Okay, or Magad, and you have to match Magad, the first kingdom. Magad match to the first kingdom. All right, Narmada Valley hunting and gathering. Now third one, Garo Hills. Okay, Garo Hills, you have to match with Garo Hills early agriculture. Here in old book there is early agriculture, but in your new book I think there will be hunting and gathering. Okay, so you will match to Garo Hills agriculture, early agriculture, yeah, hunting and gathering. Okay, students, I have a old book, so okay, so here maybe some options are different, so don't worry, I am telling both options. Okay, so you just listen carefully. Okay, Garo Hills early agriculture or hunting and gathering. Now fourth one, Indus and its tributaries. Okay, Indus and its tributaries, and it matched to the first cities. The first cities. And last one, Ganga Valley. Okay, Ganga Ghati matched to cities about 2500 years ago. It matched to 2500 years ago city. Okay, now again I am repeating, students. Narmada Valley, hunting and gathering or growing rice. Magad, the first kingdom. Garo Hills, early agriculture or hunting gathering. Indus and its tributaries. It's the first cities, Ganga Valley cities, about 2500 years ago. So students, it's a little confusion because you have two editions book. Maybe some students have old edition and someone have new edition. So it will be create some confusion. So I will write this match the following in my copy. So you will see there. Okay, my copy I am writing here, and you will take, students, no need to write this matching in your notebook. Okay, I am writing because here are little confusion because you have two types of books. That's why I am writing in my copy, but you will just take in your textbook. All right, so students, I am writing here, match the columns. Okay, match the following. Match the following. All right, match the following. Okay, students, it's a question number 1. Okay, so here first one, Narmada Valley. First, Narmada Valley. Okay, and second one, Magad. Second, Magad, Magada, Magad. Third one, Garo Hills, Garohills. Okay, Garo Hills. So student, Narmada Valley match to hunter and gathering. Hunting and gathering. Gathering, hunting and gathering. But some old book or new book may be different text. It's a growing rice. All right, it's a growing rice. All right, so write down, second option is growing rice. Growing rice. Both answers is correct, students. All right, so no need to confuse. Second, Magad. Okay, Magad match to the first big kingdom. Okay, Magad match to the first big kingdom. Okay, Magad match to the first big kingdom. And third one, Garo Hills, hunting and gathering. Match to hunting and gathering. Hunting and gathering. If students, in your book there is a option of early agriculture, so you can match. Okay, early agriculture. Early, AGRICULTURE, early agriculture. Okay, students. So here two options. In first one, Narmada Valley, hunting and gathering or growing rice, and third one, Garo Hills, hunting and gathering or early agriculture. All right, now fourth one I am writing here. Fourth one, Indus and its tributaries. So write down Indus and its tributaries. TRIBUTARIES. Indus and its tributaries match to the first city. The first cities. All right, the first cities. Now number 5th is Ganga Valley. Gangavalley. Ganga Valley matched to cities about 2500 years ago. Cities about 2500 years ago. Alright, cities about 2500 years ago. Alright students, so it's over. Tomorrow we will write students question answer of first chapter of class 6. Alright, so till then, bye bye. Have a nice day students. Take care.